In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. You can use the standard desktop app or the streamlined new Acrobat interface. The process is similar in both. Give it a moment to load so all tools are available. If you're signed in, your recent files might appear, which makes it faster to pick up where you left off. Next, choose the PDF you want to work with. You can open it from the home screen, use File and Open, or simply drag and drop the file into Acrobat. If your document is protected or set to view only, you may see limited options. Drawing tools might be disabled on secured files. In that case, you can still follow along on an unrestricted PDF to practice. Once the file is open, zoom to a comfortable level so you can draw accurately without fighting tiny details. Now, look to the left side of the screen for the Toolbar or Tools panel. This panel houses your markup and annotation controls. If the panel is collapsed, click to expand it so you can see the full set of tools. Depending on your version, you may see a section labeled Comment or Markup where the drawing option lives. Hovering your mouse over icons will show tooltips, which helps you confirm you're picking the right tool. Find the Draw tool, typically shown as a pencil or squiggle icon, and click to activate it. When it's active, a small properties or formatting bar usually appears, letting you adjust how your strokes look. Before you start drawing, pick a color that stands out clearly against your document. Dark ink on light pages and light ink on dark pages improves readability. You can also fine-tune the line thickness and, in some versions, the opacity. Thicker lines are easier to see for quick markups, while thinner lines work well for precise annotations. Now click and drag on the page to draw freehand. If you make a mistake, use Undo or select the stroke and press Delete to remove it. After you finish a line, you can usually click the stroke again to reopen its properties and change color or thickness without redrawing. For better control, zoom in for detailed areas and zoom out to review the overall look. A mouse works fine, but a stylus or a trackpad with a light touch can make your lines smoother. Keep in mind that drawing in Acrobat adds annotations on top of the page. It doesn't rewrite the underlying PDF content. That means you can move, edit, or remove your drawings later without altering the original document. When you're happy with your markup, save your file so your changes are preserved for the next review.